Hi guys, welcome to English Junction. Today we are learning something that will make your English stronger and smarter. We'll explore 30 commonly used one-word substitutions, words that replace long sentences in short words. So let's begin with section 1, people and personality. A person who betrays is called traitor. Example, he was called a traitor for betraying his friend. One who loves mankind is called philanthropist. Mother Teresa was a philanthropist who helped the poor. One who hates mankind is called misanthrope. A misanthrope avoids people and prefers solitude. A selfish person is called egoist. An egoist only thinks about himself. One who sees the brightest side of things is called optimist. An optimist finds hope even in difficult times. One who sees the dark side is called pessimist. A pessimist expects failure before trying. One who pretends to be what he is not is called hypocrite. A hypocrite preaches honesty but lies often. One who helps others selflessly is called altruist. An altruist helps people without expecting reward. A shy or quiet person is called introvert. An introvert enjoys peace and silence. An outgoing person is called extrovert. An extrovert loves meeting new people. Now let's move on to section 2, government and society. Rules by the people is called democracy. India is the world's largest democracy. Rules by a king or queen is called monarchy. Britain once had a powerful monarchy. Rule by a few powerful people is called oligarchy. The country was run by an oligarchy of rich men. Rule by officials is called bureaucracy. Bureaucracy often slows government work. Government by religious leaders is called theocracy. In a theocracy, religion controls the government. Government by nobles is called aristocracy. In old times, aristocracy ruled many lands. Government by the rich is called plutocracy. A plutocracy gives power to the wealthy. Rule by one person is called autocracy. In an autocracy, a single person holds power. Lawless situation without government is called anarchy. After the war, the nation fell into anarchy. Rule by a single powerful leader is called dictatorship. North Korea is under a dictatorship. Now let's move on to section 3, which includes age and life. Child without parents is called orphan. The orphan found love in an adoptive family. Person over 100 years old is called centenarian. The centenarian celebrated her 101st birthday with joy. Between 13 and 19 years is called teenager. Teenagers are full of dreams and energy. A baby is called infant. The infant slept peacefully in her mother's arms. Unmarried man is called bachelor. He chose to stay a bachelor all his life. An unmarried woman is called spinster. She lived a happy life as a spinster devoted to her career. A woman whose husband has died is called widow. She lived as a widow with her children all her life. A man whose wife has died is called widower. The widower often visited the park where he and his wife met. A person legally responsible for another is called guardian. After their parents passed away, their uncle became their guardian. A person who inherits property or title is called heir. The young prince was the heir to the throne. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Today you have learned 30 new words. Start using 5 of them in your daily sentences. It will instantly improve your English. And wait for next part. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video to your friends so that they can learn new word substitutions. And thanks for watching.